you are black, if you are white, I don't give a fuck, man.
All right, guys, man, it's been a lot of interesting stories coming so far, from Shatta Wale, Ghana. A lot of people are reacting to this. I got to actually let you know that, man, Wizkid performed last night at a Ghana concert, and it was all packed full. Then they are still showing us love. That is something, a great one. I need to appreciate all Ghana fans out here right now. That is a big one. Just forget about Shatta Wale and focus on the relationship between Nigerian artists and Ghanaian artists. But Rema has said something, and Shatta Wale is all angry about it. Before I proceed further to talk about all of these things, I want you guys to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the subscribe button below and the bell notification icon if you are yet to subscribe to this YouTube channel. And guys, I want to use this opportunity to appreciate you guys for what you've done so far, and that is actually a big one. And then I appreciate you guys on it. Liking my videos, sharing my videos across social media platform is one thing that is, kind of great to me right now. Let's start talking about issues right now trending on social media. Yes, singer Shatta Wale chided his colleague Rema for saying he needs 10 Ghanaian women to ease his mind. That is something now trending on social media. Rema actually made a tweet, said, 10 Ghana girls once I land tomorrow to ease my mind. I think he's trying to promote his song and also trying to provoke Shatta Wale to this. And Shatta Wale, in response to that, said, what? See total disrespect to our Ghanaian women. Don't you have money to go for a massage? Come chop cause you alone get dick. Nonsense. Nonsense tweet. All in the name of Amistar. Using Ghanaian ladies in such a comment is like you spitting on the dignity of Ghanaians. That is what is coming in from Shatta Wale. And Rema retweeted, I too like woman. And that is one of the songs. One of Rema's song is called Woman, where he said, I too like woman. I think, to an extent, he's trying to promote a show and trying to promote a song. And Shatta Wale was quick to interpret it to mean any other thing. And one thing you need to understand, I'm not a kind of supporting Rema on this. I'm not supporting Shatta Wale on this. To an extent, Rema shouldn't have said that. That is something that a lot of people are saying right now, and I quite agree to them or with them. And also, you need to understand that a lot of issues is making Shatta Wale to respond to this. And if you ask Rema right now, you say that, yes, I didn't mean it the wrong way, but interpretations of somebody who has actually expressed hate towards us, we always interpret it to mean something bad. That is one thing I notice with all of this. And when you check out Shatta Wale's song, he talks about women dancing, ladies who are mostly half nude, or all those kind of things. And that is what most artists do around the world. They promote all those things. Why now you are standing with women as if women in your music video, they wear hijab and wear kind of a gown to cover everything as angels in heaven. What is your own take about that? I'm not supporting all this kind of things, but I need your own opinion in the comment section below. Guys, Daddy Duty's adorable video of Davido babysitting his daughter Imade and Tiwa Savage's son Jam Jam is making a kind of sensation online, and a lot of people are responding to that. I think it's all interesting and a great one to actually vibe to at this point in time. Let's have a glimpse of that video.
No, before you wait, Imade, wait. Do you know that you have to pay me?
Yes, we need to pay you. I'm about to pay you, bro.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Yes. How much? $1 million.
$100. Perfecto. Entonces, tú llamé. Jamil, just wait.
This is to show you that Davido knows how to babysit, and a lot of people are saying that most baby daddies, they need to learn a lot from Davido, because this guy, to an extent, has shown love to his baby's kiss out there and showing it off and on camera, and he seems to like have a preference for Imade. That is what I am noticing by the recent posts on social media. I kind of admire that, and Davido has also kind of shown the respect he has for Tiwa Savage and the family of Tiwa Savage. It seems like Imade and Jam Jam, they are being groomed to love themselves in the future. What is your own take about all of this? Yes, OBO Badass has actually done something again. Badass OBO brags different. Davido reveals that his wristwatch and Lamborghini car both cost $550,000. That is 310 million naira each. That is $1.1 million, $620 million naira in total. That is a great one. And he posted this on social media. A lot of people are taking a glimpse at that, saying that, man, these guys are superly rich. And I think these guys are super rich to an extent. And some persons are saying that, you need to start investing a lot at this point in time. All right, last night, Wizkid came out to address Shatta Wale at a musical event, and that was packed full by a lot of people, and that is all interesting. I kind of love what Wizkid actually did in recent time. What's up, guys? It's been an interesting story so far. Like what I'm saying right now, Wizkid is one guy that a lot of people need to actually respect. Did a sellout at a Ghana, event, despite their boycott of most of the shows being headlined by Nigerian artists. And I think now I have to respect a lot of Ghanaian fans out there. Wizkid is one guy that we need to actually respect from time to time, and he's got a kind of huge fan base in Ghana. Looking at the show, he actually addressed Shatta Wale at that show. Let's listen to Wizkid right now.
I got a message for you tonight. Me, I don't care if you are black, if you are white, if you are blue, if you are purple. I don't give a fuck, man. I will show you the same love I show my brother or my sister, yeah? And I want you guys to understand something, man. It is one Africa, man. We move together in numbers, baby. And I want you guys to know it is one love, one Africa every fucking day, baby. Ghana, Nigeria, Kenya, we are all the same people, man. Yeah, man.
All right, now this is one of the address that Wizkid gave at that concert. I think is well appreciated and a matured one. And Shatta Wale were not nowhere to be found, because that event center was actually packed full at the end of the day. And Wizkid, before the show, was seen hanging out with Stonebwoy, and that is how it is supposed to be. I think it's a win-win for Africa, not a win-win for Ghana or Nigeria at the end of the day. And a lot of people are trying to make it something else at this time of the year, and this time is supposed to be a unifying time for us to stay strong and build a great industry entertainment wise around Africa. That is one thing we need to actually start doing right now. And what is your own take about all of this? Let me actually show you something that actually happened also in Ghana. Ruga, they were there with the prince, and Ghanaian ladies were all out for Ruga at the end of the day. Let's listen to it. That is to show you that, man, these guys really love us, and we have to well appreciate them. We should stop the hate, just like what Shatta Wale is spreading right now. We should start spreading love at the end of the day. That is one thing I want you guys to start doing at this point in time, because a lot of people are just like concerned about this recent hate that is fomented by a lot of Ghanaian artists out there. Why are we hating ourselves? Some people say that yes, Nigerians have not done well enough for other musicians in Africa, but you have to understand that if you don't have a good relationship with us, there's no way we can actually love ourselves. That is something I believe about that. And all the same, I would say kudos to Ghanaians for actually turning down Shatta Wale, honoring Wizkid at that concert. Let's have a great time out there. Let's believe in ourselves. Let's build a great music industry. I love you guys. Keep supporting Free West Deep at the end of the day. I love you. Let me show you around. Let me show you. I got this is, what is your name? What is your name? This is Brian. This is Jesse J. We all at home. I'm right now babysitting. What do you have to tell them? What do you have to tell them? They can't tell you. What do you have to tell them? Say, I love you. Yeah. We got a lot right now. We are right here. What do you have for us? Put that in the comment section so that we can always love ourselves.